Ever wondered about the different types of screwdrivers and their uses? Today we're delving into this topic. Screwdrivers are essential tools featuring a variety of types, each with a unique purpose. Understanding these differences can enhance your efficiency in professional or DIY tasks. Our video aims to unravel these tool intricacies for you, so stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of screwdrivers. First up, the classic flathead screwdriver. This is a tool that every craftsman, do-it-yourself enthusiast, and homeowner would be familiar with. Simple yet essential, it has a design that has stood the test of time. The flathead screwdriver with its flat, tapering blade is known for its unassuming yet versatile function. This uncomplicated implement is a key element found in every toolbox around the world. With its straightforward design, most people underestimate its functionality. The flathead screwdriver isn't one to shy away from any task, big or small. It is a tool that proudly sports a plain, uncomplicated blade that snugly fits into the slot of a screw. Its design not just serves its purpose but excels at it. It may appear basic, but this simplicity is the secret behind its effectiveness. The flat blade is specially designed to accommodate a wide variety of screw sizes, making it extremely versatile. This adaptability extends its use to tasks ranging from the minute, such as fixing eyeglasses, to larger, more robust tasks like assembling furniture. Flathead screwdriver effortlessly handles each task, it an indispensable part of any toolkit. Over the years, the flathead screwdriver has proven its mettle. It is not merely a tool for screws, but its utility extends to prying, scraping, and even as a makeshift chisel when the situation calls for it. Despite the emergence of more specialized screwdrivers, the flathead's prevalence is a testament to its reliability. Its versatility and simplicity are the pillars that make it a trustworthy choice. The flathead screwdriver, a true staple in any toolkit. Next, we have the Phillips screwdriver. This tool stands out in a toolbox owing to its cross-shaped design. Born out of Henry F. Phillips's ingenious in the early 20th century, the screwdriver was crafted to work with screws bearing a cross-shaped recess. In contrast to its flathead counterpart, the Phillips screwdriver delivers superior torque, ensuring a tighter grip and reduced risk of slipping. Phillips aimed at creating a screwdriver that could handle high torque and prevent over-tightening. His design didn't take long to become an essential part of the manufacturing sector, especially in the assembly of automobiles. The versatility of the Phillips screwdriver is seen in its widespread applications across various industries. It's not just professionals who appreciate its usefulness, but also DIY enthusiasts who regularly rely on it. Whether it's putting together a piece of furniture or operating on intricate machinery, the Phillips screwdriver is the tool of choice for many, thanks to its capability to exert more torque and hold the screw firmly. The Phillips screwdriver, a game changer in the world of screws. Moving on to the Torx screwdriver, a tool with a unique star-shaped design. Unlike the flathead and Phillips, it is a specialist, not an everyday tool. Its design is purposeful. The star shape enables a higher torque application than traditional screwdrivers. This is due to the shape providing more contact points between the tool and the screw, mitigating the risk of slip and enhancing the force transfer efficiency. You might wonder, where are these Torx screws usually found? Predominantly in automobiles and electronic devices. If you've ever looked under a car hood or disassembled a computer, you've likely seen these star-shaped screws. Torx screws are also frequently used in scenarios needing extra security. Their specialized shape makes them tougher to remove without the appropriate tool, minimizing tampering risk. This characteristic is why they are often sighted in public spaces like park benches or public restrooms. So the next time you encounter a stubborn star-shaped screw, remember the Torx. Ready to assist with its high torque abilities and unique design, it's more than just a screwdriver. It's a specialist tool designed for specific tasks, offering exceptional efficiency and security advantages. If you ever happen upon a screw that refuses to budge with your regular screwdriver, don't forget about the Torx. With its high torque and distinctive star shape, this specialist tool is just waiting for its moment to shine. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a computer technician, or simply a DIY enthusiast, having a Torx screwdriver in your toolkit can make all the difference. It's not just about turning screws, it's about doing it efficiently, securely, and without causing damage. The Torx screwdriver, a specialized tool for specific tasks. Now let's explore the hex screwdriver. The hex screwdriver, or Allen wrench as it's often called, is a simplistic yet incredibly versatile tool. Its distinguishing feature is the six-sided hexagonal shape at the tool's tip, offering a robust grip which allows for high torque application without the risk of slippage. This feature is crucial as it keeps the screwdriver from rounding off the corners of the bolts or screws, often a problem with other kinds of screwdrivers. Primarily, hex screwdrivers find their usage in furniture assembly. This is because their design efficiently connects with the fastener to execute the heavy-duty screwing needed in this process. Chances are you've encountered a hex screwdriver if you've attempted to assemble a flat pack from a well-known Swedish furniture manufacturer. Apart from furniture assembly, the hex screwdriver is a favorite in bicycle repairs. From adjusting the handlebars to rectifying brake systems, it is an essential tool in the toolbox of any bike mechanic. The ability to apply considerable torque makes it a perfect fit for dealing with stubborn, rusty screws often found in bicycles. The versatility of the hex screwdriver extends beyond its usage. It comes in a variety of sizes, fitting different hexagonal socket sizes. This adaptability enables it to handle diverse tasks, from putting together your new bookshelf to adjusting your bicycle for a leisurely weekend ride. Truly, the hex screwdriver is a perfect embodiment of versatility, reliability, and simplicity in design, making it an indispensable addition to any toolkit. The hex screwdriver, a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Next in line is the Pozidriv screwdriver. This unique tool dominates the screwdriver universe. It might not share the limelight with some of its counterparts, but it radiates power and authority in its sphere. The Pozidriv screwdriver, an abbreviated form of positive drive, was meticulously crafted to counter the deficiencies of the Phillips screwdriver, providing a successful alternative that has proven to be more effective. Its distinct identity is marked by the additional 4 contact points established by the secondary cross on the screw head, a feature that is not merely aesthetic but serves a tangible function. These supplementary contact points substantially elevate the grip of the screwdriver, substantially reducing the possibility of the tool camming out or slipping out during use. This implies that you can exert greater torque without compromising the integrity of the screw head or the tool. This feature makes it a preferred choice for tasks that demand a higher degree of force. Typically, Pozidriv screws can be found in furniture, automobiles, and electrical devices. Their popularity is significant in Europe, but recognition and usage of Pozidriv screwdrivers are gradually spreading across the globe. Therefore, if you've ever encountered a defiant Phillips screw, or if you've accidentally caused damage to a screw head with a slipping screwdriver, it's highly likely that the Pozidriv offers the solution you've been seeking. This is an unmistakable testament to the fact that there is always room for innovation and improvement, even with the most commonplace tools. The Pozidriv screwdriver is both versatile and reliable, providing an enhanced grip and significantly reducing cam out. This makes it an alternative to the Phillips, often outperforming it in various tasks requiring precision and strength. It's not just a tool, but a symbol of innovation, reinvention, and the pursuit of excellence in everyday objects. It's time to give the Pozidriv screwdriver the it deserves. The Pozidriv screwdriver, an upgrade on the Phillips design. Finally, we have the Robertson screwdriver. This unique hailing from the cold regions of Canada has made its mark in the world of handy tools. Unlike many other screwdrivers in the market, it proudly flaunts a square-shaped tip, a characteristic that sets it apart. The design of the tip corresponds with the square recesses present in screws, providing a snug fit. Known by several names, the Robertson screwdriver, or the square head screwdriver as some prefer to call it, is frequently in the toolbox of professionals in the automotive field. The square design of the tool allows for the application of high torque without the peril of any slippage or the worry of stripping the screw head. This provides it an edge over several other types of screwdrivers, which often fall victim to cam out, a frustrating event where the driver slips out of the screw head owing to a lack of grip. The enhanced grip of the Robertson screwdriver can be attributed to the comprehensive contact of the driver with all 4 corners of the square recess in the screw. This complete contact provides a significant advantage in terms of grip and the application of torque, coming in exceptionally handy when dealing with tougher materials or larger screws. The automotive industry in particular holds the Robertson screwdriver in high regard for its efficiency and consistency. It is a commonly used tool for the assembly of various parts and components in vehicles where a high torque is frequently necessitated. In such scenarios, the consequences of cam out could have severe repercussions. However, the usefulness of this square-headed marvel is not confined to the automotive world. The Robertson screwdriver is also a popular choice in the fields of construction and woodworking. Its superior grip and diminished chances of a cam out make it an ideal choice for driving screws into materials such as wood, or a noteworthy feature of the Robertson's design is that it allows the user to hold a screw on the driver tip, facilitating easy one-handed installation. This is an attribute that numerous professionals and DIY enthusiasts value, particularly when operating in tight or awkward spaces where the use of both hands is not possible. In conclusion, the Robertson screwdriver, with its unique square design, offers a multitude of benefits, including superior grip, reduced cam out, and the capacity for high torque application. Whether you're a professional in the automotive industry, a construction worker, or just someone who enjoys DIY projects, the Robertson screwdriver is certainly a tool you'll want in your toolbox. The Robertson screwdriver, a favorite in the automotive world. As we've seen, each screwdriver possesses a unique design catering to diverse tasks. The flathead, a simplistic yet universal mechanism, is the backbone of any toolbox. With its flat-edged design, it can snugly fit into screws with a linear groove. The Phillips, with its distinct X-shaped point, is adept at delivering higher torque. It's a go-to tool for tasks requiring stronger force. Then we have the Torx, with its unusual star-shaped head, is the epitome of precision. It's specifically for jobs requiring meticulousness. Next in line, the Hex, the hexagonal-shaped tool, is renowned for its exceptional grip. It's an essential companion for tasks demanding a firm hold. The Pozidriv, reminiscent of the Phillips with added lines, has additional contact points. This unique design allows it to deliver a stronger connection and reduces the risk of slippage. Lastly, the Robertson superior design, or the square head, is famous for its resilience against cam out. All these screwdrivers, each with their distinctive features and specific uses, share a common objective: to streamline our tasks and enhance efficiency. They empower us to construct, innovate, and mend with confidence. They are the hidden stars in our toolkit, tirelessly working behind the scenes, ensuring seamless functionality. So next time you're confronted with a screw, you'll be certain which tool to reach out for. Thanks for tuning in.